All right, Scotty doing a score jumbo. You know what? Let's get a, what are they called? Recollection autograph. Recollection auto. Wouldn't that be dandy? Or a red back of any of the top rookies. You know what? We have not pulled a hot rookie auto of any of the big guys either. Alright. Starting off with an autograph. Travis Morin, score 6. Net cam of Mike Richter. Oh, 2 golds, sorry. Toffoli gold. And a Borderlo gold. Marian Hossa season highlights. I hate how everything flips. It's ridiculous. Alright, let's flip. Broden rookie. Cervenka. Lofton. Kemper. Ottawa leaders. LA leaders. And then your golds. Colin Wilson. David Desjardins. Rick Nash. Jordan Nolan. Pekka Rinne. Danius Zubris. Hey, getting your hits right in the beginning here. Your teammates is Kimmo Timonen, Sean Couturier, Scott Lofton, Ilya Brizgalov, Bo Bennett, Chris Kunitz, Thomas Vokoun, and James Neal. Philly, Pittsburgh. And then is this going to be black? Yep. Patrick Marleau, black. Season highlights. Leo Komarov, gold. Ottawa team leaders, gold. And you get Hossa highlights. Man. Bo Bennett, Stefan Matteau, Jonathan Huberdeau, Charlie Coyle, Islanders team leaders, Carolina team leaders, Mikhail Bodker gold, David Moss gold, Brandon Sutter gold, Mikolek Couturier, and Gomez. Shea Weber franchise, okay. Hey, it's your box break. I gotta tell you know, if you're wanting, hey, you never know. Team leaders gold for LA, Ryan Spooner gold. Marleau, Conacher, Schultz, Picard, Tardif, Minnesota, Columbus, and then McDonough, Demers, Grossman, Anderson, LaBarbera, and O'Brien on your golds. So another auto still, plus either another black or a red back, or sometimes both. We shall see. Check it, Colin Greening, and Anders Lindback, net cam. Marleau gold, Peter Mrazek gold, then Solani, Tinordi, Killorn, Beaulieu, Irwin, Vancouver, New York, golds of Claude Giroux, Radim Verbata, Paul Bissonnette, Matt Niskanen, Kyle Turris, and Kimmo Timonen. Oh, you got a bonus. Nice. I think you'll like it. Justin Schultz, Ryan Smith, Devin Dubnyk, Nail Yakupov, Roman Cervenka, Curtis Glencross, Alex Tanguay, and Mika Kiprasov. Bonus teammate. Taylor Hall, the franchise. And then Victor Fats gold and Tampa Bay gold. Yager, Vatanen, Griba, Zerzensky, Neil Storp, St. Louis, Anaheim, and then Volchenkov, Bailey, Parise, Boys, Mitchell, and White. Yeah. A little bonus teammate action. No one's complaining about that. Zibanejad, first goal, I'm sorry. Richard Panik and Hossa Golds, Broder. Hamilton, Panik, Roussel, Shore, New Jersey, Toronto, Craig Smith, Andy Green, Mikhail Grabner, Danny Heatley, David Olstrom, and Zenon Kanopka. I think you got another black. Dang. Nice box. Pretty good one, too. Jerome McGinley black. Very nice. Florida. Dougie Hamilton gold. LeCavalier. Casca. Bordelot. Toffoli. Fast. Chicago. San Jose. Travis Moen. Chris Mason. Andrew McDonald. Ryan Callahan. Slava Voinov. And Mike Fisher. Yeah. And you still got probably an autograph. I'm assuming that jersey was a bonus, not in place of an auto, so we'll see. And in theory, you could still get a red back too. Craig Anderson Netcam, Calgary Gold, Roussel Gold, Blackhawks, Redmond, Raquel, Grigorenko, Michael Jordan, Colorado, Buffalo, Mike Rupp, Francis Bouillon, Brandon Yip, Franz Nielsen, Kyle Brodziak, and Dustin Penner. Yep, you got an autograph too. So you got a bonus jersey, 2 blacks, and one of them being an Iginla. Jamie Tardif, hot rookie, autograph. Brendan Gallagher, first goal. Washington gold, Casca gold, Crosby, Schrader, Acrobella, McGinn, Yakupov, Florida, Calgary, Okposo, Ellerby, Street, Stoner, Georges, Clutterbuck. So what put a cherry on the cake would be a red back in this one, but we'll see. Nope. Nice one though. Dougie Hamilton, future franchise. Then we've got Christian Thomas, Drew Shore Golds, Sidney Crosby. Then Alexiak, Forsberg, Collins, Lashoff, Phoenix, Detroit, Stahl, Yossi, Hedberg, DiPietro, Koivu, and Visionovsky. There you have it, sir.